Create circular animation like Iman Gadzhi in Premiere Pro. Hold down your click over the rectangle tool and select the Ellipse tool. Click in the preview and drag to create an ellipse. In the Essential Graphics panel, set width and height to 400. Uncheck the fill color, check the stroke color, set it to 50, and set its color to a gray color. In the Effects panel, search for Drop Shadow and drag it into the ellipse. Select the ellipse, then in the Effect Controls panel set opacity to 100, direction to 180, distance to 10, and softness to 100. Also, click on these two buttons to center the ellipse horizontally and vertically. Hold down the Alt key and drag the ellipse to the above track to duplicate it. Select the duplicate ellipse, then in the Essential Graphics, select Drop Shadow and remove it. Then select Shape 1 and change stroke color to white. Search for Radial Wipe and drag it into the top layer. Move the playhead to the start, set transition completion to 80%, and click on Stopwatch next to transition completion and start angle to create two starting keyframes. Move the playhead around 3 seconds forward. Set transition completion to 90, and increase start angle until the white part rotates 1.5 times. Select all the keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. Hold down the Alt key and drag the top layer to the above track to duplicate it. Search for Gaussian blur and drag it into the third layer. Set blurriness to 50 to add some glow to the effect. Press the Enter key to render the sequence. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.